Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you the most powerful AI tool that is way more powerful than ChatGPT. If you're using ChatGPT, you're already very far behind. Even if you're using ChatGPT 5, Genspark is the most powerful AI agent tool. And in this video, I'm going to walk through the major features of it so that you can start using it today to save you 10 plus hours a week in productivity. Let's begin. With Genspark, there's basically two plans. There's the Plus plan for 25 bucks a month and the Pro plan for $250. These are at the monthly prices. Basically, on the Plus plan, to start off, they don't have a free plan. You're going to get 10,000 credits, which is more than enough to use a lot of their agent feature in it to get the most out of it. And then if you're a serious heavy user, like using it as like your daily driver and for all the features, there's the Pro feature. But plus it also, for $250, it also gives you access to like VO3 and all the best chatbots. Like you're going to see it's going to get a ton of value. Highly recommend it because it's my daily driver and for a lot of people inside the AI community. Once you're logged in, on the left hand side, when you hover over the plus symbol, you can see all the different individual tools that is in Genspark. And to basically summarize Genspark, ChatGPT at least 3 and 4, when they came out, basically all they do is regurgitate text. 5 now can create presentations and do a lot more. What Genspark could do is basically, Genspark has 9 large language models inside of it. Plus, it has a suite of tools that you can create, such as slides and presentations, documents. Then under the super agent, you can do deep research like Manus. You can create applications. You could create presentations, lead magnets. Then you could turn any text into an audio podcast where 2 characters are talking to each other. You get not only ChatGPT, but all the other best large language models to just chat with, just like ChatGPT. You could create images with like 5 of the best image generators, create videos with 5 of the best video generators, deep comprehensive web research. You could download videos from social media into your account. And you could also have it call restaurants if you wanted. Then on the very top left corner, these 2 little lines, when you click on it, this shows you your history. They just added this new feature, now allows you to search. So if I click on those 2 lines, for example, you can now search your chats. Here's all your chat history for every conversation, and searching conversations, you can click the 3 dots. And you could also bookmark them to save them as they're more important than other chat conversations. When you click on the home button, it takes you back to the home screen, which basically shows you everything. While you're here, I highly recommend after you click on the home button to definitely bookmark this so that you could quickly come back to Genspark and start using it immediately. If you scan this QR code, it would give you 1,000 free credits for Genspark. To keep Genspark super easy, all you have to do to start a new conversation, hover over the new tab and just be sure you're on the super agent. That's going to be the easiest way to just start a conversation with the super agent. As you can see, it's here at the very top of the screen. And with the super agent, you give it a task and it's going to figure out which tools to actually accomplish that task. So in this first example, all I did was have it just search everything about me. Pretty much my name, Jonathan Acuna, Dr. AI. Here's my website, and put together an overview brief of who he is, what he does, what's his business and his specialty based on what you find online. And so what it does is that it's going to know that's the goal, and it's going to go ahead and go through and scrape the website, search the web, go through my YouTube channel, go through my LinkedIn, go through my business website. When it searches the web right here, parallel search, in one action, it accesses all of these web pages so that it scraped all that information. How fast that is. So then it puts together a plan. Nice. Here it's gathering more information about my background and expertise, and then my professional background and achievements, going through my YouTube account and videos. And then finally, at the very end, it puts together a comprehensive overview of who I am, basically a whole dossier. All of this information was found on the web from it just searching the web. It's almost comparable to Manus, which is actually really wild. Here's a whole prep. So for example, if I was getting on a meeting with Jonathan or to invite him on my podcast, for example, this one page pretty much gives me everything I need to interview him, to find out about him. And then I can also create questions if this was a podcast show, for example. And then you can see his value proposition, his business model, unique positioning. His tagline is work less, earn more with AI. Now in this next goal, I'm going to give it another task to say, turn all this information into a web app that's interactive and holds all of this information. And notice how the tool has changed here. It understands the goal, and what Genspark is now going to do, it's going to go through 3 phases. It's going to go through first thinking and work out a plan. So it's like, oh, I need to create an HTML page. It needs to contain these elements. Like everything that Genspark does, it doesn't do simple things. It does the most complex things. easily, which is actually kind of wild. And then it's going to choose CSS, stylize, make sure it has these navigation points here, add these sources, great. And then it's going to just write the raw code straight in one go. And it doesn't make mistakes per se, which is weird kind of thing. Like it's not going to bug you halfway through and say like, hey, there's a mistake. Do you want to like click a button to like fix it? No, it's just going to figure it out on its own and just raw code HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And then from there, it's going to move to the third phase, which is preview once it's done. And so right here, we're watching this in real time where it's actually going to be building a web app. This is very similar to like Claude Artifacts, for example. You could have it build websites, build web apps, interactive surveys, anything you could build with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which is pretty much almost anything you see on the web. You can replicate it using Genspark, and Genspark will write all the code for you. So now that it's done, we're in the preview mode right here. So if I click on this little button right here to open to the window, it's going to expand out, and now it's going to show me a private URL with the whole web app. So remember, it did two parts. One, it researched the entire web about me. Then it took all that information and then created a web page about me. So 25 years experience, 53,000 community members, 400 plus trained entrepreneurs, 3.8 thousand YouTube subscribers, professional background, expertise. If I hover over, it's interactive. So this is stuff like ChatGPT can't do. Then you can see my programs and offerings, one-on-one, AI training, AI business mastermind. And then if I click on the top, I could go through background, business, service. Oh, wow. You can see all the tool expertise right here that we teach. We teach courses on the top 24 AI business tools inside the AI community. And if I go down to online presence, you can see I have a multi-platform presence. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, those are my socials. That's right there. Content schedule, daily live streams, weekly podcasts, AI training sessions. So if I were to hand this to a client or even as a simple report to run for people, let's say I'm interviewing for a podcast or a whole background, this is all incredibly professional. Like, and it did this within minutes, this is all interactive. I could literally click the button at the very top and it's all interactive, all the information. Like Genspark doesn't miss. It's so dope. That's why I love Genspark. So this is just one of creating both web pages and also to showcase information. But wait, that's not all. In the top left-hand corner, let's go over to AI chat. So if you like ChatGPT or Claude, just know that in this mode right here, when we go over to AI chat mode, you get access to the top AI models to chat with. There's your ChatGPT 5, 5 Pro, Claude Sonnet 4, Gemini 2.5, DeepSeek, Grok. So you get access to all the best large language models included in your $25 per month subscription in Genspark. And it functions just like ChatGPT or any of those large language models. Now I'm back in the same conversation with Genspark, and I'm now going to say, hey, now that you did all that research, I'm going to say, turn this info into a presentation, but I want you to make sure that you use my brand colors. And these are the hex codes for my brand colors. So we're going to go ahead and submit that in the oven, which is super dope. And now Genspark is going to go with the same conversation. And that's why I recommend too, keep the same conversations going, because then you could continue to go deeper. Genspark does not have custom GPTs that like ChatGPT does have. You're pretty much going to be working in single conversations to go deep with it. And Genspark can remember quite a bit of the previous conversation to be prepped for whatever you're working on. So here you can see Genspark creating a to-do list, and the to-do list is like pretty comprehensive. Like, look at this whole to-do list just for creating the presentation, like create specialty and tool slides, create executive summary. It's like very methodical. And so right now it's going to go through the process. Once you submit a job to Genspark, you can close your browser, you can start a new conversation, you could just leave it running. And then when you come back, just know that the job's always going to be running as soon as you submit it in the background, so you don't have to be on the browser for it to continue. Now you can see Genspark has completed the task of creating a presentation about me in slide form. And if you zoom in, there's 3 tabs here: preview, code, and thinking. And you can see it first thought out what it needed to do and accomplish on the slide. Then it wrote the code to illustrate that, and then it rendered it. Very powerful. So here's the presentation, which you could click view and export right here. Now this presentation was created in minutes from research that Genspark just searched the web about me. And so say, for example, I'm preparing a meeting to meet with the client. I want to know everything about them. This is a very comprehensive background that Genspark created in 2 very simple prompts relatively, which is like very easy. So Genspark is a beast of a tool. So again, I could play slides, download this as a PDF. This is just one of the most powerful features that Genspark has here. Now, Genspark is always releasing new features and it has a ton of new stuff being released. I want to show you one quick feature called AI Pods, which I think you'll find very fascinating. If you ever use Notebook, it's very similar to Notebook LM. And what it does is you can create a podcast from anything. It could be topics, YouTube, links, files, PDF books, and you can customize it and style it any way that you want. And you could also ask for, is it a solo, a dual, or multi-person conversation? So let's look at an example. To find previous chat conversations, on the top left-hand side, you click that little line, and now they have search feature, which is so nice. But also, if you look, there's little icons. The icons kind of give it away. Like this is the AI agent mode. Here you can see that's the podcast, AI podcast icon. So if I click on this, that's one way that you can also quickly find the conversations that you're looking for that you've ran in the past. So for this prompt, all I did was upload a book and say, turn this into a sarcastic, funny duo podcast that has two characters, one super smart and the other really slow, and they bitter like siblings. And so it created this podcast. If I click play.
Welcome to Sibling Rivalry, the podcast where I illuminate the complex architectures of modern technology.
Right.
And my brother helps. I'm Dr. Alexandra Chen.
And I'm Jamie Chan Rodriguez, the designated helper. Today, we're talking about something called prompt engineering.
So this will continue on, and you can upload PDF book, YouTube video, and many more. As a special gift, I want to give you 1,000 free credits when you sign up for a Genspark account today. So use this QR code. It's also the link down below. When you sign up for Genspark, you get 1,000 credits, I get 1,000 credits, so it's a win-win for everyone. Now, us in the community, we've been using Genspark for months now. It's given us such a competitive advantage in our industries. So join the 0.1% of executive founders and CEOs who are leveraging AI to get an insane competitive advantage. Highly recommend join the AI business community, link down below, where you'll join 150 other entrepreneurs that are meeting regularly 5 days a week for a mastermind. Inside the community, we have over 22 courses: Notion, Productivity, Genspark, Make.com, and Zapier, ChatGPT, custom GPTs, AI agents, monetizing custom GPTs, ClickUp, HeyGen, 11 Labs, AI voice agents for AI receptionists, no code building app tools like Firebase, your Lovable, AI note-taking tools, Mac productivity, social media content creation, marketing course, short form course, content masterclass, live streaming masterclass, VO3 course, and a clean video generation course. And then we have VO3 and Midjourney inside of these are just the courses inside of the community. Join our global community of AI entrepreneurs around the world, meeting regularly, sharing insane AI secrets that you can't find on YouTube. Link down below, join. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.